In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio files to Microsoft Word. Adding audio to your documents can transform them from simple text files into interactive and engaging presentations, reports, or educational materials. Whether you're providing instructions, narrating content, or simply adding a multimedia element for clarity, embedding an audio file in Word is both practical and straightforward. To start, open Microsoft Word on your computer and prepare the document where you want to add the audio. This can be an existing document you're currently working on or a brand new blank document, depending on your needs. Once your document is ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains various tools for adding different types of content, including images, charts, and objects. Look for the Object button in the text group, easily identified by its icon representing an object. Click on Object to open a dialog box. At the top of this window, you will see two tabs. Select Create from File, which allows you to insert an audio file directly from your computer into your document. After selecting this option, click the Browse button to locate the audio file you want to embed. Make sure the file is in a format that Word supports, such as MP3 or WAV. Navigate to the file on your computer, select it, and confirm your choice. Before completing the insertion, there's an important step to make your document cleaner and more user-friendly. Check the box that says Display as Icon. This option replaces a long visual file path or preview with a simple icon, which your readers can click to play the audio directly. Once you've selected Display as Icon, click OK to embed the audio file into your document. Now, your audio file is part of your Microsoft Word document. Anyone opening the file will see a small icon they can double-click to listen to the audio. This makes it easy for readers to access the sound without navigating outside the document. Embedding audio files is a great way to enrich your content, making it more interactive, engaging, and accessible. By following these steps, you can quickly add multimedia elements that enhance comprehension and improve the overall experience for anyone using your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.